Don't make it hard for your customers or guests to connect to your Wi-Fi. Just let them scan the code, and they will automatically connect without typing the password. Here's how. In MS Word, press Ctrl plus F9 to create curly brackets. Next, type display barcode, then add quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks, paste this code. Replace this part with your Wi-Fi name and this part with your Wi-Fi password. Then, don't forget to add another quotation mark at the end, followed by QR. Now, right-click and select Toggle Field Codes. A QR code will be created. Print the code, and once your customer scans it using their phone camera, simply tap Join Network, then click Join. In just a few seconds, your customer will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi. No more hassle. It's fast and very convenient. Try it now and share in the comments section if it works for you. Don't forget to save, share, like, and follow for more tutorials.